Chapter 4. Confounding Compounding. Let's begin with something you might not expect. The true power of compounding is not in its complexity, but in its simplicity. Imagine this. You start with a small amount of money, not enough to notice. You let it sit, grow, and over time it begins to multiply. Slowly at first, painfully slow. But then, something magical happens. It begins to accelerate, growing faster and faster. This is the power of compounding. Now you may think you know what compounding is, but here's where things get interesting. Most people fail to grasp just how powerful it truly is. They give up long before the magic happens. Let's talk about Warren Buffett. You probably know him as one of the richest men in the world, right? What if I told you that his fortune didn't really explode until he was well into his 50s? That's the real secret. Buffett's wealth wasn't just a result of brilliant investing. It was the result of starting early and letting time do the work. By the time Buffett was 30, his net worth was impressive, but nowhere near what we see today. But compounding had only just begun. Fast forward to his 60s and suddenly his wealth skyrocketed. Nearly all of his fortune was built after his 50th birthday. Why? Because he let time and compounding do their work. But here's the twist: most of us don't have the patience for it. Compounding doesn't show quick results. It's slow, painfully slow. We want to see our investments grow fast, and when they don't, we get impatient. We switch strategies, we sell early, we lose faith. But what we don't realize is, the real power of compounding shows itself later, much later. Here's an example. You invest $1,000 at an 8% return in a year. You've made 80, not much, right? After 10 years, it's about 2,200, still not life-changing. But give it 50 years, and that same $1,000 turns into nearly $47,000, all because you let it grow. But here's the chilling part. Most people never let compounding fully work. They stop too soon. They pull out before they see the real rewards. And that's the lesson of Chapter 4. Compounding rewards those who wait. The longer you let it work, the bigger the payoff. It's not about being a genius. It's about staying patient and allowing time to do the heavy lifting. So next time you feel like giving up because progress seems too slow, remember the snowball is still rolling. And when it gathers enough speed, nothing can stop it.